Thank you for looking at the Morris Watchman electronic key control system. Our key control solution always lets you know who has the key, when they took it, how long they had it, and when they returned it. Or, if you want to stop certain users from taking certain keys, you're at the right place. Please keep in mind while viewing this video that there are several different hardware and software configurations available with our system, and this video only shows the basics, so don't be concerned if you don't see the exact solution you need. We've been in this business a long time and we've seen and heard it all. So if you have a special need that we don't discuss in this video, we probably have it or we probably can do it. Just give us a call. With a Morris Watchman system, you can control as many keys as you need to because of the modular design. All you do is add cabinets. Our system can be standalone or it can be added to your network, and our software can reside on any of your PCs and reports can be printed on your network printers. We control and monitor your keys by attaching them to our Smart Key ID ring, which has a unique ID chip inside, and they can be used and reused indefinitely. The system always knows when a Smart Key ID ring was removed or when it was returned to the cabinet, and all the transactions are recorded indefinitely. That means you'll always have a complete audit trail and reporting capabilities for every key and everyone who accessed the cabinet or took a key, and you'll always know what keys are out and who has them. The cabinet doors can be metal or clear heavy gauge plastic if you want to constantly observe the contents of the cabinets, which may be required in certain situations. We're proud of our cabinets, which are completely self-contained, and we have an uninterruptible battery backup located internally which can't be unplugged. Our system will last on battery power 48 hours or more depending on usage. With other systems, the power can be unplugged or the computer cable can be removed, which diminishes security. With other systems, it's easy to unplug the power or pull the computer cable while the drawer or door is open, and the key can be removed and the person who took them isn't recorded. Our self-contained power and cable connections are a critical feature incorporated in the Morris Watchman system. All of our cabinets are wall mounted with heavy-duty doors that can't be opened without proper identification. We can also control credit or similar cards and other small devices if needed. You can also put as many keys as you need on our reusable heavy-duty key ring if you want to control specific sets of keys. We have two basic types of systems, locking and non-locking. Our locking system mechanically locks all the keys into the cabinet, and specific keys can only be removed by the specific people you want. The locking system's door can also be permanently removed if your cabinet is located in a secure area and you want the contents under constant observation. Our non-locking system allows any authorized user to remove any key in the system while the door is open, although each time a Smart Key ID ring is removed, it records who removed it and when it was returned. The non-locking system always has a locking door for obvious reasons. The major difference between the locking system and the non-locking system is that you can control who can take what particular key. Locking systems are also more expensive and they hold fewer keys per module because of the locking mechanism. Authorized users can access keys by using a proximity card reader, barcode reader, a fingerprint scanner, or a hand reader, along with a password for additional security if you want. If your facility uses another type of ID security, let us know because we can probably incorporate it into our system. Here's how it works. A user simply swipes their proximity reader or uses the fingerprint reader or whatever you want to use, and then they enter their unique user code or password if you want. Then they enter the key number they want, or if they want more than one key, they enter additional key numbers. Key numbers can be coded to match existing lock location numbers at your facility, and there are many different numbering systems that can be used. Once you finish entering the key numbers you need, the door to the specific cabinet for the first key you need will pop open and the key location for the key you requested will light up, which allows you to easily find it. If additional keys are located in other cabinets, they will open up after you've closed the door to that cabinet. If the requested key is out, the system will tell you who has the key. When the user wants to return the key, they go through the same identification process and then they select the key return option. Then the system tells the user how many open slots are available in each cabinet, and the user returns them to any open slot in whatever cabinet they want. Since each smart key has a unique ID, the system always knows where the smart key ID ring is for the next user. That means your keys won't have to be labeled if you don't want them to be, which adds to the security of your system. If a key is lost or stolen, it can't be identified by anyone who isn't a system user. Well, that's a simple review of the Morse Watchman locking and non-locking key control system. As I mentioned earlier, if you have different needs than what we talked about here, or if you want a live demo, give us a call.